Hi, welcome to the third session of Finite Automata. The last two sessions, we mainly discussed about the basic definitions and formal definition of DFA and NF. Here, continuing to the third session, here we are going to define some terms. What is meant by an acceptor, or what is a transducer, what is a classifier, and also the acceptability property. First, acceptor means an automata that computes a Boolean function. The finite automata that computes a Boolean function. It returns either a value true or false. It is known as acceptor. It is also known as recognizer. All the states of an acceptor is either accepting or rejecting. Either the value will be true, accept is equal to true, or accept is equal to false. Accept is equal to false is same as reject is equal to true. Reject is equal to true. Accept is equal to true will be same as reject is equal to false. Then all the states of an acceptor is either accepting or rejecting the inputs given to it. Either it accepts all the inputs corresponding to it, or it rejects all the inputs to it. So the automata that computes a Boolean function is known as acceptor, or otherwise known as recognizer. Then second one, classifier. A classifier classifies. It has more than two final states, multiple final states. For a single initial state, a classifier classifies into multiple final states. It gives a single output when it terminates. Consider a group of students. A classifier accepts the group of students as input and classifies into a set of boy students and a set of girl students. Classifier classifies. It has more than or it has multiple final states. Such a term is known as classifier. The third one is transducer. An automata that produces output based on the current input or the previous state. Based on the current input, based on the previous state, based on the previous input, it is known as a transducer. It can be classified into two types. One is Mealy machine, other is Moore machine. The output depends both on the current state and current input. The automata produces the output, and that output depends both on current state and current input. Such a finite automata is known as Mealy machine. And if the output is solely dependent on the current state, not and it is independent on the current input, not dependent on the input, such a finite automata is known as Moore machine. There are two different types of transducers. Mealy machine is a transducer. Moore machine is a transducer. Mealy machine depends on the current state and current input. Moore machine depends solely on the state and independent on the input. So three different definitions are, first one is acceptor or recognizer, second is classifier, and the third one is transducer. Then going to a property. Next, a property, acceptability. A property of DFA or a property of NFA, NDFA, finite automata. When a language will be accepted, when a string will be accepted, acceptability property. A string is accepted by a finite automata, whether it may be a DFA or NFA. if the finite automata starting at the initial state ends in an accepting state, any of the final state may be the accepting state after reading the string only. The entire alphabets within the string will be read before ending the or before going to the final state. Then a string can be accepted. A string S, it is accepted by a DFA or NFA, Q, sigma, dou, Q0 and F. If there exists at least one transition path on which we start at initial state and ends in final state. So there will be a transition path from the starting state to the ending state or the final state. Consider an example. We are considering a transition function dou star q0 comma s. Q0 is the initial state, s is the string. It is element of a final state. For a state q0 and string s, the transition function dou star q0 comma s, it is the set of states that the finite automata can reach when it reads the string s starting at the state q0. In the diagram, we represent q0 as the initial state and incoming blank arc represent it as the starting state, and q1 is the final state. There is also a state q2. Here we are considering a language over the symbol A. A is denoted there. If we input A to Q0, it will go either to Q1 or Q2. At Q1, if it continue, the state will continues for an input A and B. At Q2 also it will continues at A and B. For a language over alphabet A, Q0 to Q1, there exists a path. The complete string will be read by there. So it is the set of states that which the finite automata can reach when it read the string as starting at the state q0. Generally, we can say that a non-deterministic finite automata non-deterministically goes through a number of states from q0 to q1 or q0 to final state as it read the symbol in the string yes. While reading this symbol, it goes to next state and finally it reaches the final state. A language is accepted by a finite automata. Language L will be accepted by a finite automata, whether it is DFA or NFA. It is set as such that S element of sigma star. Sigma star is lean star, the family of all symbols, including empty string, and transition function dou 0 q0 comma s element of f. Sigma star denotes the set of finite length sequences of elements of sigma. Let sigma is equal to set AB, then sigma star B, any combination of characters or alphabets within that set A, B, AB, BA, BB, etc. along with empty string denoted by lambda here can be denoted by either lambda or epsilon. A string is not accepted. Accepted can be denoted by S and not accepted, complement of S. It is not accepted by a finite automata if and only if dou star q0 comma s complement is not an element of it. Similarly, the language L complement of that language is not accepted by finite automata. Complement of the accepted language L, it is the set S such that S element of sigma star and dou star q0 comma s is not an element of F. Then acceptability property and its complement not accepted. The complement of accepted language, the complement of accepted string, it can be denoted like this. Consider an example DFA shown in the figure. From that DFA, the acceptability of strings can be denoted. The string accepted by the above DFA can be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, etc. By using that strings, the DFA from the initial to final state, there exists a transition path. Several other strings can also be denoted. that is not accepted. S complement, complement of S, strings not accepted, that is set of 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, etc. From that diagram, we can derive a set of strings that can be accepted by the DFA and not accepted by the DFA. Concluding, here we already saw some definitions. What is meant by an acceptor? It is also known as recognizer, what is a classifier, and what is a transducer. Transducers can be classified into Mealy machine and Moore machine. Then we went through a property, acceptability property. The acceptability of a string and an acceptability of a language, and how non-acceptability can be represented through a string and language. Okay, thank you.